You are listening to the Masculine Mindset Show, a podcast for introverts to get more confidence, more importantly, more self-worth, and of course, get more fit. Women are a side benefit. More importantly, I turn nice guys into bad motherfuckers. Let's get into the content, you fucking legend. Sponsored by Brain FM. Real binaural beats that has sleep tracks, meditation tracks, recharge tracks, relaxation tracks, focus tracks, which, by the way, those focus tracks are really fucking good. Man, do I focus when I am writing my blogs, you guys. Okay, let's get into the content. I fucking love it. If you'd sign up right now.
Man, if I could tell you, Joe, how much I sincerely valued our relationship, I would say that right now. In fact, you guys, I'm starting out this episode to let you all know that a good buddy of mine, John Anthony, decided to do the unthinkable, and that is to take his own life. And you guys, I want to be clear with you. I want to address something really quick, because some of you know that I promote developing your dark side, but I want to make this clear. When I say develop yourself as a man and discover your inner bad boy, I don't mean you go so down low to the point where you have the negative amplifying feedback loop where you just jump to like the ends to justify the means. In fact, I think that Zach Zeller put it very well on my episode How to Enhance Masculinity with Zach Zeller. So you guys, I really want to record this in honor of Joe Patrick Liverman, as I knew him as John Anthony. And you know what, you guys? I could not believe the news when I heard that he is no longer with us. I found out through Mark of the UMP. I was just in disbelief. I couldn't believe it. I was like, no way. And then I saw the obituary, you guys. He's not with us. And still, I could not believe what happened. So here's what I did, you guys. Everyone in the blogging community, we all like came together and we decided to really preserve his website. So what I want to say to you guys is this, you guys, understand this. If you know someone who is going through a hard time, please reach out to someone. There's a reason why I bring people onto my show, like for example, Brett Backerman, and the episode Conquer Your Fears Fast. If you haven't heard that, go listen to it. We talk about getting in men's groups. Okay? Even in Develop a Masculine Mindset Fast as well, you guys. When I talk to Shane from Dating from Late Bloomers, right? We talk about why basically journaling is important. And guys, I'm still like in shock about this entire thing. Okay, Joe, if you're listening, here's what I want to say to you. Dude, you've taught me so much. And honestly, I just want to give you a big brotherly hug. Like, I want to give you a brotherly hug and say, dude, you are not alone. Like, I've been in the hospital where a nurse held me down, you guys, and she drew blood against my own will. And I said, no, and she still fucking did it. Do you get that, you guys? Do you understand that? Do you know where I come from now? Do you know that now, you guys? Do you fucking know that now? Okay, I talk about this in my new book, 77 Ways to Develop a Masculine Mindset. And there's a whole sequence, whole section in there, called Fighting Through the Hardships of Life. And so for that reason alone, you guys, I'm going to give you guys a self-love visualization dedicated to J.P. LIVERMAN, as I knew him as on Instagram. You guys, I really love this guy like a brother, okay? Like a fucking brother. So, I'm going to put his link to the obituary in the show notes. I'm honestly still in disbelief right now, still processing, and I really would hope that you guys would start looking out for one another and start realizing that having a brotherhood is really fucking important, and to bring each other up, not bring each other down. Alright, let's start the visualization. I want you to really understand that John, or Joseph Patrick LIVERMAN, he used Brain FM. And if you really want to honor his memory, guys, this is not some reverse psychology to get you to sign up for it. This is just me being honest with all of you. John used Brain FM, and this is the reason I really am persistent on using this so much, is because I found that binaural beats have really helped me basically write faster, better, more efficiently. But more importantly, I just would appreciate if you would use Brain FM more often, because there's a lot of scientific evidence to back up that binaural beats really do work. And not to mention, you guys, it's better that you do this with headphones. So put on your headphones right now, and let's start the relaxation track. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Let's do that again, you guys. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Now I want you to actually close your eyes. Just visualize that you are now in outer space. You are in outer space. There are stars all around you. Be in that disassociated state. You are floating in outer space. Now I want you to go all the way back to when you were born, and just say to your infant self, say this: I forgive you, I respect you, I trust you, and I love you. Now inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Let's do that one more time. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Now exhale for 4 seconds. Focus on that self-forgiveness, that self-respect, that self-trust, and that self-love. Now say this to your infant self one more time. I forgive you. I respect you. I trust you. And I love you. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Now exhale for 4 seconds. Let's say that to your infant self one more time. I forgive you. I respect you. I trust you. And I love you. Feel that self-forgiveness. Feel that self-respect. Feel that self-trust. And that self-love. Aim for that feeling and become one with it. Now come to the present moment. Look at yourself in that disassociated state in the present moment. Your eyes are still closed. Keep them closed. Say this to your present self. I am confident. I am masculine. I have a masculine mindset. Let's repeat that. I am confident. I am masculine. I have a masculine mindset. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Now exhale for 4 seconds. Now let's say this to your present self. I embody masculine power. I respect myself. I have a masculine mindset. Now inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale for 4 seconds. Now let's say the next 4. I love myself. I am self-validated. I have a masculine mindset. I love myself. I am self-validated. I have a masculine mindset. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Now, let's do the last one, okay, guys? Stay with me. We're almost done. I trust myself. I forgive myself. I have a masculine mindset. I trust myself. I forgive myself. I have a masculine mindset. Keep your eyes closed. Now let's listen to this calming track. Now visualize your infant self that you've forgiven, you have respect for, you trust completely. Imagine that your younger version of yourself entering your present body. Now open up your eyes. Alright, you guys. This is inspired by Ho'oponopono, alright? And I want to tell all of you this. I did this visualization about 2 weeks ago. This was back around when I remember I actually did this, I believe, was like one day before Joe left us. And I teared up from doing this visualization. I teared up from doing this visualization. This is also taken from my book, 77 Ways to Develop a Masculine Mindset. You guys, this is extremely powerful, okay? And again, this right here is the self-love visualization taken from my book, 77 Ways to Develop a Masculine Mindset. And you guys, I'm going to remind you that John Anthony, he ran a website called masculinedevelopment.com. So, I want you all to just take that in right now. And remember that being masculine doesn't always mean just being a raging beast, but it means just loving yourself fully, and respecting yourself fully, and trusting yourself fully, and loving yourself fully. It is about forgiving yourself fully, respecting yourself fully, trusting yourself fully, and loving yourself fully. That right there is what we just did. I forgive you, I respect you, I trust you, and I love you. Alright guys, I appreciate you for listening. Again, please go into the show notes, pay your respects to Joseph Patrick Liverman, and make a donation because he changed my life. I love you guys.